The text solution to this video is available on videogcsc.com. Question 3b, in the diagram PQ is parallel to RS. Work out the value of Y. Attempt this question now. Pause and unpause to check your answer. The first thing that you need to do, the first big clue that you have is that you can look at the first part of this question. So in question 3b, if you were to look at question 3a, which we've just done, this used corresponding angles. You learn so it's primed you to do something to do with corresponding angles. And so usually in the second part of the question it will be in some way related to the first. So if you use something to you can guess that you will need to use something to do with corresponding angles right away. And sure enough, you can see that this angle 68 degrees here corresponds with this angle just here between these two lines, the line PQ and this middle line here that has no name. So this angle just here. Also, you have to, and also you need to know what you're being asked to do in this question. You're being asked to find this unknown angle called Y. This unknown angle called Y corresponds with this angle right here between RS and the middle line, and it's just next to 68. It's on a straight line with 68, the angle 68. You also need to know that, but when I say correspond, it means that they're equal. So this angle here between RS and the middle line will be the same, will be equal to this angle Y. So if you can find out what this angle is here, then you will know what the angle Y is because they're equal. So let's do that now. You should already know that angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So this angle, this straight line RS has two angles on this side. One part is 68 and then the other part is here, and that will bring you back to the straight line. So you know that 68 plus this angle here will add up to 180 degrees. So let's take a look at that now. So we'll write that as an equation. We'll write 68 plus something. Let's call that something Y, because that's what we're trying to find and we know they're equal, is equal to 180. Let me make that just a little bit bigger so you can see it more clearly. So 68 plus Y is equal to 180. So let's take a look at this again. So this here is equal to Y, this angle here. So I'm just calling it Y because it's equal to Y. So I know that 68 plus something, or in this case I'm calling that something Y, is going to add up to 128. So this angle here, this big angle, is an angle on a straight line. This will add up to 180 degrees. It's made up of two parts. One part is 68 degrees. The other part I don't know, so I need to find out what it is. But I know that if I add it to 68, it will add up to 180. And so it's just a very simple sum from here. So 68 plus Y is equal to 180. So I don't want to know what 68 plus Y is equal to. I want to know what just Y is equal to. So to get rid of this 68, I need to subtract 68. So 68 plus Y, and so I'll subtract 68 minus 68 is equal to, and I need to keep this expression equal to this expression, I need to subtract 68 from 186, from 180 as well. And so 68 minus 68 will leave Y by itself, which is what I wanted. So look at the left side for a second. 68 plus Y minus 68 leaves me with just Y. That's what I wanted to get, just Y by itself. And on the other side, 180 minus 68 will be 112. And if you want, you can check your answer and make sure that if y is equal to 112, then if you add 68 to 112, it will add up to 180, and it does. So I'm saying that the unknown angle y is equal to 112, and if we take a look, this angle here is 112, and so the angle y is 112. The other way that you could have done this question was to say this angle here, 68, is equal to this angle here, which this will also be 68, and then this here, 68 plus y, will equal to 180. And so it's just another way of doing the same thing, whichever way you want to do it. So let's make sure that we got the correct answer. Question 3b, 180 minus 68, so 112. Yeah, so we got the correct answer, and that question is worth 2 marks. So if you wrote down anywhere 180 minus 68, then give yourself 1 mark, and if you also got the correct answer, 112, give yourself 2 marks. Similar videos to this are available on videogcse.com.